Hey, it's Kerry with SkullRush. I'm down here in Las Vegas, just hanging out in the corner waiting for a bunch of trucks with some cool flags to come on by. I was down here last year, the same spot, just filming something off the wall, and these trucks started rolling by, and I finally found out it was Truck Life Las Vegas. Hooked up with them on Facebook, and this year I brought some more gear down and get some better shots, hopefully put together a better video for them. Also, Battleborn Jeeps is another Facebook group that's hooked up with these guys, and they're all going to be rolling together Memorial Day weekend, showing their American flags, their American pride. Glad to be part of it.